Hey YouTube, here's part 2 to the video that I put out last night called the one on the Mariana Trench. This is part 2 of that, and it's just special for my trolls. This is how I deal with them. You saw what I did with the Mariana Trench last night. Well, here's another reoccurring pattern of it, and this is basically where it came from. It's this crater in China which is responsible for the reoccurring patterns all over the world. And you could start off by you could see this right here. See how perfect it lines up with it all the way down to here. And when you see that, you can see that what the Mariana Trench really is it's the overspill. It's just another reoccurring pattern of the overspill of the Himalaya mountains. And here are those mountain peaks. See how they line in? That's how I can prove that sat there, is that I can forensically match these peaks up with these dots right here. And to my trolls who keep thinking that this is a form of pareidolia. Pareidolia, whatever, is when someone sees images like in clouds or whatever. They visually see some kind of an image that reminds them, whatever. This is different. I'm not seeing images here, and I'm not making this stuff up. I'm actually really lining these up with actual images of the planet. Two separate images, nothing from my memory or from my imagination. So it's not even the right word for what this is. But that's how lame these trolls are. They don't know the difference. Anyways, but you could see how, like, you just look and you could tell that these line up. See, just like that, and they'll do it again. And again. Now this is reversed, by the way. I just want to make sure people know that this is reversed. And that's my question to the trolls: is what kind of mechanics in plate tectonics could explain this? And that's all I'm asking them to do, is answer one question. Because you can tell that this is not a figment of my imagination, not when everybody else can see it. He's told me, I've been told recently, that hardly anybody sees these alignments. Are you sure about that, man? Take a look at this one really good. Make sure that you're positive when you say that, because I think you're lying. I think we can all see this alignment, right? And this should not be. This is a plate collision, right? Am I not right? Grasponreality, is this not a plate collision right here? Then what does this have to do with that plate collision? Why is this lining up there? These questions need to be answered if you think you're right. You see where the problem is for you? Man, I'm so tired of these trolls, man. They're so, like, they're stupid. They're stupid. They're more than stupid, but they go around blaming, claiming that other people are stupid when they're the stupid. Anyways, so here we go. So you see that alignment. And you can see this one. And you can just tell what's going on here. Here's the layering. This is a reoccurring pattern of this crater. This crater is what the spillover came out of. So there you go. There's a answer to that one. How does that line up so well? You can see the tracks running out and everything matching up with the mountain peaks on a collision. See, there's nothing in plate tectonics that can discredit this. This discredits plate tectonics, and it always will. because it lines up, and it proves that this is not a. It's proving that the Himalayas are not from a collision, because collisions don't make reoccurring patterns. And thanks for watching.